Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Russell Retreat community located in Green Cove Springs, Florida. This community is being developed by Lennar Homes. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at a move-in ready home. This is the Abaco II floor plan. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,382 square feet. Now, as you can see here, all homes in the Russell Retreat community will have a paved driveway and also paved lanai. Now, if you're looking for a small community, this might be a fit for you since the Russell Retreat community will feature about 50 homes. Now here we have an 8-foot entry door. Okay, and here is the foyer. To the left is a coat closet. We're going to continue the tour into bedroom 4. Now this will give you a good idea of the finishes in the move-in ready homes. Be sure to check out my videos of the 2 models here at the Russell Retreat community. Now this bedroom has approximately 14 feet by 12 feet dimensions. You're gonna have 8-foot interior doors throughout the home and 9-foot ceilings. Here's the closet. Now you'll see some blue tape here and there. Those are just final items that the builder is taking care of, but the move-in ready homes, or at least this one, is available to close within 30 days. Okay. Have quartz countertops with the undermount sink. Shower tub combo with tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Next is the laundry room. To the left is the mechanical room, and then here to the right are the washer and dryer connections. Russell Retreat is an electric community, so you have the dedicated outlet there for an electric dryer. Linen closet. This home features LVP flooring throughout, as seen in the model homes. All right, continuing our tour, we're gonna take a look at the kitchen. This is the garage entry door. All right, this is the common living area, very open. Here is the kitchen with the gourmet kitchen layout. Quartz countertops, the cooktop underneath the microwave. Single bowl sink, gooseneck faucet. Looks like this is the reverse osmosis there. Water filtration. And then here is the pantry. Okay, so walk-in pantry. Double ovens. And then the fridge. Okay, next we have the dining room area, which is this area here. Okay, this space is about 16 feet with 6 inches by 10 feet. And then followed by the great room. This space here is about 19 feet 6 inches by 16 feet 9 inches. Connections over there for a TV. Okay, we'll take a look at the lanai and then head over to the owner's suite. Screened in, covered lanai, paved as well. This area is approximately 23 feet by 14 feet. You have a couple of outlets out here and a separate entrance to the owner's suite that we'll take a look at. 8-foot height sliders. Next is the owner's suite. The dimensions for the owner's suite are 15 feet with 6 inches by 14 feet 6 inches. Okay, there is the entrance to, or the exit to, the lanai. 2 windows there, carpet in the room, and then there's the pre-wire for a light fixture. The owner's bath here, LVP floor, water closet, followed by a walk-in shower, and then 2 sinks here with quartz countertops, and then the walk-in closet. All right, next we have the 2 bedrooms. All right, just before heading into the bedrooms, there is a little pocket area here. Maybe fit in a pocket office, put in a desk there. Now bedroom 2 has 11 feet by 10 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. And the pre-wire there as well. Closet over here. So walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 connect to bathroom 2. All right, so 2 sinks here, quartz countertops. And shower tub combo with a transom window. And bedrooms 2 and 3 are the same size. Pre-wire there for a light fixture to be installed after closing. Carpet, and then walk-in closet. If you'd like more information on the Russell Retreat community, Lennar homes, or looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, I'd love to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.